Oh, hey, cousin, if you want to know how I got from about 1/8 of a teaspoon of hair to this full set of beautiful crochet braids for under $30, huh? Did you hear me what I say? Okay, we are doing our hair on our own for cheap. That's basically what I'm saying to you. Watch this. Hey, cousins, hey, what's going on? Come on in the room, y'all. Come on in the room, because I got something for you. Oh, I'm hyped. And I'm usually hyped when we doing crochet braids, right? Especially now when I have about 1/4 of a teaspoon of hair. Okay. And you see, y'all know I be hyped when I get to do this. I get to shout out an amazing content creator who inspired this hackety hack, okay? I made a couple different adjustments. I'm going to show you a few different ways to do what we doing overall, but baby, I get to shout out this queen, and she did the darn thing, okay? This is a full crochet that took me, I don't know how long. I was watching Law and Order reruns, so I wasn't paying attention, but it was quick. I'm gonna get into this hair. Y'all gonna see that in the demo. The demo's gonna have all the information, but let me tell you something. I love this hair. I can say that. Wait for the rest of the information. Now, if you don't wait till the end, that's on you. But let's get into this hack. This hack is particularly useful if you have that much hair like I do, huh? This is the hack for you, okay? Now, I went to hair school, so I know how to barber hair and everything. I had me a little fade. When I cut my hair off, I had a little fade off to the side with pride, all the things, right? So over here is much shorter than here. So I'm gonna be doing different mechanisms, okay? So let me just let you know about this content creator, and then we gonna jump into it, okay? We're gonna do it, put our backs into it. So y'all probably already know her, but her name is Tatiana. Girl, come on to the front, Tati. Come on to the front, girl, because you did that. And the video, huh? Turn to your neighbor and say video. The name of the video is Easiest Crochet Method Ever. I'm gonna put it in, you know. And I want y'all to go over there and watch this video, because this video was so helpful. When I saw this video, I was like, ooh, because I'm already familiar with the puff, the rubber band method. But what she did was she used a crochet cap to secure everything. And what I found was that it makes the install actually much more quick. It's almost like installing a braidless crochet with individuals in the front. Now, depending on the length of your hair, you have different methods to install your individuals. I did a couple different methods just to show you guys. Again, that's coming. When I tell you this girl is bomb, her video is very well detailed. From start to finish, you can clearly see what she's doing. She gives great instruction. It was very easy to follow. So big shout out to Tati. Anna. Boo-boo. Yeah, she did that, honey. That did me. And hey, if her videos suit you, and if you're not already subscribed to her, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Because why would you not, right? If she dope, she dope. Hit that subscribe button. And if you have not subscribed to me, I don't know what you got going on with yourself. Go ahead and hit that button on them. Hit that button on them, baby. I'm hyped. I just had coffee. My husband is on his way home from out of town, and my hair's done. I mean, you can see how the math is mathing. I'm out of here. Let's get to this video. Tatiana, girl, you did that. Hold on, y'all.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're missing. and there's nobody here to blame. Oh, yeah. Baby, tell me if I'm wrong. Did we play this game for far too long? Far too long. Letting us down hurts me more than you know. The pain is too much, don't wanna be here alone. It's breaking my heart, letting you go. I want you to stop, but I already know. Make me feel I'm not alone, lonely, no. Don't want you to go, but I know it's in. Hold me. Gotta go, baby, it's in. Gotta go, baby, it's in. Make me feel not lonely. Just want you to hold me. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about